Hi, it's Dana, and I have got a recipe for you today that I think is satisfying in fall and way better for you than a pumpkin latte. I'm Dana Lavoie. I help women use really customized herbal remedies to take control of their hormones and feeling amazing during and after menopause, but it all works so much better when it's supported by the right hormone friendly diet and lifestyle. So, this is a great seasonal diet tip for someone who thinks of food as medicine. When you look at a pumpkin latte recipe, it's really just coffee and cream and sugar with a tablespoon or two of pumpkin. We can do better than that because I totally get the fall craving for those pumpkin pie spices and those sweet warm foods that are actually really wonderful. Squash and root vegetables, those yellow and orange foods that are so abundant in the fall, are wonderful for warming and nourishing your digestive system and getting you ready for a good winter. But here's a recipe that gives you that, so fulfills that craving, but has so much more health benefit for you as well. So what we're going to do here is take a squash. I like to use a delicata squash because the prep time is so much less because you don't have to peel it, but any other kind of, butternut or acorn squash works as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut that squash in half, scoop out the seeds because you don't want the seeds. And then with this one, you don't have to peel it. Otherwise, you probably would want to peel it. And then you cut it into slices or chunks, whichever you prefer. Then, and put that in a bowl. Then in a little pot or a pan, you're going to take some coconut oil, put in some honey or maple syrup, plenty of pumpkin pie spice, a sprinkle of salt, and when it's melted together, pour it over the squash chunks, give it a toss, spread them out on a cookie sheet, and bake them in the oven. Anywhere from 350 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit will work till they're completely soft and cooked. And if your oven wasn't hot enough and you want to broil them a little bit at the end to caramelize them and make them a little golden brown, that's just fine. You can serve them as a side dish with a meal, but they totally taste like dessert. So you can have them with a little bit of coconut yogurt for dessert. They're great on your oatmeal in the morning. They are so sweet and delicious and satisfying. It tastes kind of like the inside of a pumpkin pie. And it has so much more benefit, vitamins, and nourishment for you than a pumpkin latte. So try this instead. Let me know what you think. I'm Dana Lavoie. If you have any questions or you could use a little bit of help getting on a plan, just knowing you're on a plan to manage your hormones now and for the rest of your life for an easy menopause and slow, healthy aging, visit me over at danalavoielac.com and jump in with my free resources. Happy fall, and I'll see you next time.